Good morning. Today is February 19th and I'm fixing something to take to work for tonight. We have a lunch that I going to provide for my coworker. And I'm making a chicken salad sandwich. It's right here. And the bread. And I already make some. I already started. And I use gloves. I wash my hand already. Even I wash my hand, I still use gloves because this is kind of tricky. So today is February 19. It's my birthday.
Yay!
Yay! I'm so sleepy. That's why I'm rushing this. That's why I can get done. Ay! Ah!
Sorry.
Hey, knock it off.
Sorry.
Ay, ay, ay.
What you got here?
Get some of that. I want you to taste it.
Okay.
Get some plate and a spoon.
Get your
Today is very cold outside. What's the temperature outside?
15.
15 degrees?
Yeah.
It's very cold. But we still have to... I thought that you did not got it. So I just used the one that I got there. Just save it. Just put in the cabinet. That's why I can find it right away if I need it. So I got up early. I think it's 7:30 this morning. That's why I can start fixing all this food for tonight. And it's very cold outside. We're hoping we don't have to come to work today, but we have to. It's very seldom for us to not come to work. If there's a lot of snow, then we can call out that we are not able to come to work. But people can drive, so we have to come. We have to go. So I hope they gonna like this food that I prepare for tonight for my coworker. So you come here on this side. Try both of this. Be careful, knock it. Where's your spoon?
Is this clean?
Our weather here, where we at, every month of February, it's cold. 2 years ago, I remember, I think that's the second week of February last year, that we have snow, just a little bit. So this year, we don't know if we are going to have snow. Huh? Go get some of this papo. Get the whole container. Get the container and move it over there on top of the stove. Okay.
Yes.
You know, guys, when you are in hurry, you always make a lot of boo-boo. This sandwich is yummy. It's a chicken salad sandwich that I put pecan and grape, slice of grape. And that other one too. Try both of them. Ay. Okay, now this is the finished product. And I have one leftovers, one slice. You try it?
Yes. No.
You did. Just put it there.
You need some more bread?
No, I'm good. This is enough. What
Get
I
2 loaves there.
I know, but I
You
don't
like
have I don't have any more spread. I'm
Did you
just finishing it.
get that for Sunday?
No,
Huh?
let me try.
You get that for Sunday?
It's really good. Pop, come here. Eat.
Good.
How is it?
Good.
Finish it. Watch, it's gonna drop. Finish it. So that's for now. Have a blessed day, everyone. Have a good day. Bye-bye.